Have you been crushing it in the gym, hitting those bicep curls and tricep extensions, but your arms just aren't growing? You're not alone. Many people put in the work, but forget that what they do in the kitchen is just as important, if not more than what they do on the gym floor. Today, we're going to break down the 7 most common dietary mistakes that are secretly sabotaging your arm gains, and I'll give you simple, actionable ways to fix them, starting right now. Get ready to unlock your arm growth potential. But first, if you're serious about your fitness journey, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, you're not in a caloric surplus. This is the most fundamental mistake. Your muscles need energy to grow. If you're not eating more calories than your body burns each day, you're in a maintenance or a deficit phase. In this state, your body simply doesn't have the building blocks it needs to add new muscle mass. Your biceps and triceps are relatively small muscles, but they still require a surplus of energy to hypertrophy. How to fix it? Calculate your total daily energy expenditure, TDEE, and aim to consume 250 to 500 extra calories per day. Don't go overboard, as a dirty bulk can lead to unnecessary fat gain. Focus on quality, nutrient-dense foods to fuel your growth. Mistake number 2, insufficient protein intake. Protein is the single most important macronutrient for muscle repair and growth. Think of it as the bricks that build your muscles. If you don't have enough bricks, you can't build a bigger house. A common rule of thumb for muscle building is to consume at least 0.7 to 1.0 grams of protein per pound of body weight, or 1.6 to 2.2 kilograms per kilogram. How to fix it? Prioritize lean protein sources in every meal: chicken, fish, lean beef, eggs, and dairy. For plant-based options, focus on legumes, tofu, tempeh, and protein powder. A protein shake post-workout is a great, convenient way to hit your daily target. Mistake number 3. You're afraid of carbs? Many people see carbs as the enemy, but for muscle growth, they are your best friend. Carbohydrates are your body's primary fuel source, especially for intense resistance training. Without adequate carbs, your energy levels will plummet, you'll perform poorly in the gym, and your body might even start breaking down muscle for fuel. How to fix it? Embrace complex carbohydrates like oats, brown rice, sweet potatoes, and whole grains. These provide sustained energy. Have a good source of fast-digesting carbs like a banana or a rice cake before your workout to power your performance, and again after to replenish glycogen stores. Mistake number 5. You're drinking your calories, but not enough water. Many people don't realize how crucial hydration is for muscle function and growth. Dehydration can reduce strength, endurance, and performance. But at the same time, liquid calories from sugary drinks, juices, and alcohol can add up quickly without providing any valuable nutrients for your muscles. How to fix it? Ditch the sugary drinks. Focus on water. Aim for at least 3 to 4 liters of water per day, and more if you train intensely or live in a hot climate. Your muscles are over 70% water, and staying hydrated is non-negotiable for pump and growth. Mistake number 6, not getting enough micronutrients. While protein and carbs are the stars of the show, vitamins and minerals are the supporting cast that make everything work. Things like magnesium, zinc, and vitamin D are vital for hormone production and muscle function. A diet lacking in fruits and vegetables is a diet lacking in these essential micronutrients. How to fix it? Make sure a significant portion of your diet is made up of fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens. A multivitamin can be a good safety net, but it's not a substitute for a balanced whole food diet. Mistake number 7, the dirty bulk trap. Thinking that any extra calories will lead to muscle growth is a huge mistake. A diet of fast food, sugary snacks, and processed junk might put you in a caloric surplus, but it will primarily lead to fat gain, not lean muscle mass. This kind of diet also lacks the micronutrients your body needs to perform and recover. How to fix it? Focus on a clean bulk. Get your surplus calories from whole, unprocessed foods like lean proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and seeds.
This will ensure that the majority of your weight gain is lean muscle, not fat.